Hi guys, I'm Fong.
And I'm Trin, and we're the How To Duo. Today we're going to be showing you how to make 5 easy fall DIY decorations. Here's how to make this fall pine cone basket, and that was Fong's rooster going off. We love all these fall projects. Not only are they fun and easy, but they're very inexpensive as well. For this project, all you need are pine cones and 2 paint colors, red and yellow. Pro tip for you, paint the red and yellow first. Then you won't need to wash your paintbrush and you could just mix the colors together to create orange. You save paint this way too. Now to paint the pine cones, all you need to do is run your brush over the edge or the tips of the cone from top to bottom and then set it aside to let it dry. While the pine cones are drying, make a tag to attach to one of the cones. It could be any shape you want, so if you don't have a paper punch like this one, just cut something out. Write gather on it or whatever you want it to say. It could say grateful, family, happy Thanksgiving, anything you want. Then take the tag and put it on top of one of the cones. Just tuck it right in. Take all your cones and put it in a basket with a variety of painted ones and plain ones. Be sure to put the one with the tag right in the middle.
Here's how to make these fall branch centerpieces.
We hoarded these apple juice bottles a while back, and they're the perfect vases for these centerpieces. You can use mason jars or anything you want to recycle. You really don't need to go out and buy a vase. Then all you need to do is grab some branches from your tree. Make sure they're dry so that you could snap off pieces that you don't want, include pieces that you like, and what you want to do is just form kind of like a teepee inside your vase. Now these mini leaves we did pay top dollar for, literally $1 at the 99-cent store. And what we're going to do is just glue them on with a hot glue gun. If you can't find these mini leaves in your area, you can cut them out of construction paper and just glue them on the same way. Here's how to make these super easy fall place settings. Starting from the bottom, stack your dinner plate, napkin, salad plate, silverware, then cut a piece of twine and ribbon, and what you want to do is use that to tie your silverware together. Go ahead and just tie a simple double knot to create a rustic look. The final step is to add an accent to the middle of your knot. We're using a mini leaf just to add a nice pop of fall color.
Here's how to make these fall pumpkins. Get it? Pumpkins?
Pun.
Rooster. My rooster.
That rooster. On an index card, draw a stencil of a pumpkin leaf. Cut out your stencil and use it to trace more leaves onto craft paper. This is craft cardstock we bought at Michael's, and we're just going to trace 6 leaves onto the paper for our 6 pumpkins. Cut out all the leaves you need and then use an eraser to clean up the edges. Use a hole puncher to punch a hole into the bottom of each leaf. Use a fine tip Sharpie to write on the leaves. It could be whatever you want. It could be someone's name, it could be a nice message to them, it could just say Happy Thanksgiving. You know us, we love us a gourd pun, so we took the opportunity to write a bunch. Once you're done with all the writing, cut 4 to 5 inch pieces of twine and use it to tie the leaves onto the pumpkins. Just do a basic double knot. And here are all our pumpkins. Gourd food, great company. Thankful for gourd friends. Hello, gorgeous. Thank gourdness you're here. Life is gourd, and gourd times. Here's how to make this fall branch garland. For this project, you'll need a sturdy branch, large fall leaves, we got this at the 99-cent store, and twine. The first step is to cut your twine into various sizes. You want a variety of lengths so that your leaves can hang at different levels. We ended up cutting a total of 12 pieces, then we evenly spaced them so that the lengths stagger. The next step is to tie all 12 strings onto the branch. Just do a simple double knot all the way across. At the bottom of the string, you're going to take the large fall leaves and pull them off of the stem. Then you're going to tie the same double knot onto the bottom of the string. The final step is to tie twine to the top of the branch so you can hang your garland. And once again, we're going to do the simple double knot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You could also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at The How To Duo. And for more how-tos and foodie fun, visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching!